Okay, so the sump is on, the exhaust is on. So for now I will clean this surface here and install the water pump back. I think that's a great plan of action. Got the surface as clean as I can. I'll also be applying some Victorian sealer here. Then also even down here, made it as smooth as I can. Then at the moment, I'm just left with inserting the water pump. Okay, now that I'm done cleaning this surface and the other surface down there, what I'll be doing is applying some Victorian sealer just in case. That is mainly because I'll be reusing this seal that's here, so it kind of looks like it's been through better days. So we'll just supplement it with this sealer right here. I want to make sure I'm not applying a thick coat, just something slight, something small. Okay, this surface is all covered. Let us do the surface down here. That was a little bit too much for my liking, but it's okay. So I'm gonna close my sealer. And then wipe my fingers. Then we return the water pump. Okay, so the water pump is in, and I'll just tighten it up, and then we'll move on to the next thing. So up next to go in is gonna be this piece. It goes around about here. I'll just put it in here. Try to force it in here. It needs to be jammed in here. So let me do that. Okay. Like this. So I will tighten those and then we'll call it done, and then move on to the next thing. It's probably gonna be the belt, but let's see. So right now I'm busy fitting up a new cam belt and also a new, what do you call this, pulley or tensioner. The tensioner, yes, that goes here. So this is the new tensioner. Let's see. There it is. Kind of looking like the old one. This was actually the original one. So I don't think I'm gonna throw this away. I'll keep this. Interesting. Okay. So I'll just install the new one, even though it's a cheap copy. But yeah, let's go. Okay, those who have a sharp eye will notice the mistake that I've made here. But anyway, let's try to correct it. So this thing doesn't go on this way, it goes on this way, just so you can hook up onto these two things and tension it. Okay, so we are about to put in the top cover. So we have this here gasket. Check it out. Put it aside. Okay, and I think I'm just gonna throw this out, and this I'm gonna keep and probably sell. So here it is. This goes on the other side. I'm assuming I don't have to put like a sealer or something like that, because when I removed the factory one there was no sealer, so I'm gonna go with that. Okay, so the gasket is fitted. I'm just gonna do some inspection around it and see if it's fit. Okay, so now I'll fit in this guy. Oil splash, and then be very clean.